Kylie from GF Oats Australia. So today is our first session on Kylie's Kitchen, and today I want to talk to you about how to soak your oats. So I very much recommend you do this if your digestion is not very good or you're introducing oats into your diet. This will really just help to digest the grains a lot faster and easier on your system. So you can do it two different ways. If you're going to cook the oats, put them in your pan. So I've got half a cup of oats in there with half a cup of water, and I just put a pinch of salt in there. So that breaks down the phthalates, which is what gives you the trouble in the oats. Or if you want to have it cold, you can just do it in a big glass jar. So I've done exactly the same thing here. So, but one of the things that you can do is you can add lots of different things into that jar if you're going to have it cold. If you just want to add fruit or chia seeds or nuts, something like that, just tell us in the comments below the type of things that you add into your oats that's in the fridge. So I hope you got some good tips there while you soak your oats. Bye!